Last quarter of the game. Hoop Camp versus TNT. Dito pa rin sa Campino Basketball Championship. Pinaglalabanan nila ang ikatlong pwesto. Battle for the third place. Lamang ang Hoop Camp, 47-49. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng TNT. Tropa ni Tiago, wearing pink. Hoop Camp is wearing dark purple. Naglalaban ngayon ng mga malalakas na kupunan dito sa Campino. Mamaya finals, magtatapat ang Lotte versus KTD. Let's find out. Tatlo uli ang lamang. Lumaki uli ang lamang. 47-52. We still have 6 minutes left. The last quarter. Lumaki yung lamang. Ayun, napababa ulit. 49-54. Napaka-critical ng time ngayon. 5 minutes na lang natira. This is the fourth and final quarter. TNT versus Hoop Camp. Battle for third place. Back to the ball game. (51-57). We can only have 4 minutes and 33 seconds left. This final quarter of the game. Battle for third place. TNT versus Hoop Camp. Animang lamang na hinahabol ng TNT. Tropa ni Tiago. Libre-libre. Napalaki uli ang lamang. 8 puntos ang hinahabol ng TNT. Ingat na lang sa foul. Laban na ng stamina rin eh, no? Oh, libreng-libre. Another 2 points. Napalaki na ang lamang. 10 puntos ang hinahabol. 51-61. We can only have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. It's the final quarter. Oy, 3 points. Abad. Yun, nabawian ng 2 points. Pinakamasipag pumuntos sa TNT, La Serna. Back to the ball game. We still have 2 minutes left. Nabawian ulit. Sunod-sunod. 59 points ang TNT. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 44 seconds left. 59-66. 59-68. Napalaki uli yung lamang. TNT mapababa kaya? One minute and 13 seconds left. 1 minute sakto na lang ang natira. 59-68. Siyam na puntos ang lamang. Napalaki pa ng napalaki. 59-70. Puntos pa, TNT. 30 seconds. Yun.
Last 25 seconds. Santos, wow. Who's better? There's the number 11.
24 seconds left. 61-70. Nice game, TNT. And advance congratulations to Hoop Camp. Score is 61-70. And stay tuned kasi finals na, laban ng Lotte versus KTD. Dalawang pinakamalakas na kupunan ng junior dito sa Camtino Basketball Tournament Championship dito sa Cabanatuan City. They accepted their defeat na pala. End of final quarter. Congratulations sa Hoop Camp, our third placer.